we're back with Liz. She has her mask on because as of last week, we now have to wear masks all day, every day we're here. So it is beautiful Liz underneath that mask. She's going to be showing you how to set up a Kirby-Bauer sensitivity and an Etest MIC strip. So here we go. We have Pseudomonas. She's going to set up one of them. I will set up the other two for you. So she's going to grab some of her colonies. And she's going to make a suspension in sterile saline. And she tries to get it between a 0.5 and a 1 McFarland, which she can eyeball pretty good. You don't want to make it too heavy or too light. I have one for you now. Okay, so now she takes another sterile swab after she makes her suspension. And she's going to inoculate her Mueller-Hinton agar plate. See how big it is? It's a big plate. And she's going to make her lawn of growth, which remember we talked about in the PowerPoint. So you go one way. And then you twirl it around a little bit. And you go another way. And then she's going to go one more way. That's how you make a beautiful lawn of growth. You don't want to have any spaces because we're going to be placing 6 different antimicrobial agent discs on here. So we want no spaces on the agar where there's no bacteria. So she has a beautiful lawn of growth that you'll see tomorrow. And this is Pseudomonas number 1. She's going to label it. Alrighty, so now she's going to place the 6 antimicrobial agents. As you know, we always loosely can say antibiotics, but you know they're truly not all antibiotics because those are natural made antimicrobial agents. So she's going to take her discs and she's going to place them, space them out pretty good. She's tapping it on there. The first one she's putting on is cefepime. So they have little codes on each of the antimicrobial agents. And you're going to have a little guide that tells you what they each are. That one's gentamicin. This one's actually better. She uses aseptic technique doing this, making sure she's not touching the bacteria on the plate. That one's abbreviation for ciproflox. This one is meropenem. So she carefully pops the disc out of the cartridge and places it on. That one's astrionum. And she has one more. So see how nice she has them spaced out? Because if you have them too close together, they're going to work in unison, which is not going to give you the true value of the antibiotic, if it works or not. And her last one is levoflox. So there she has all 6 antimicrobial agent discs ready to go, and we're going to put that in the incubator. And tomorrow we'll be measuring the zones of inhibitions. The next test she's setting up is an Etest. And it's really an MIC, just like we're going to be looking at the MIC panels tomorrow. We're not setting one up because an instrument does that for us, but you're going to get to read one with us tomorrow on the video. So we basically going to use our same suspension. She already made our suspension of the Pseudomonas aeruginosa. She's still going to make a lawn of growth. So this is just a smaller Mueller-Hinton. So if we're just doing a strip or one disc, we would use a smaller one. We use the big one when we're doing a whole panel of different antibiotics or antimicrobial agents. So again, she's still going to make her nice lawn of growth, going 3 different ways and twisting it around. All right, so instead of dropping antimicrobial discs, she has a MIC Etest. It's a strip. And this actually is an MIC, so there's going to be a lot of different values on this strip, and we'll show you once she places on. Again, aseptic technique, making sure she's not contaminating the strip. And this strip has the antibiotic also impregnated on it. She's just going to spread it gently over, and this way the antibiotic or antimicrobial agent that's on this strip will diffuse through the Mueller-Hinton agar. Remember, you can only use Mueller-Hinton agar when you do the acceptability testing. So this one, if you get to it, get it to, there you go. See all the different gradients of MIC values, and we will be looking at that tomorrow, reading where it goes up to. Pretty cool. So we're going to incubate these overnight, and we will see the results tomorrow. Thank you, Liz, for helping me.